So it is complete, the Red Hood cosplay build. Very excited about this one. An awesome helmet from Colonius. He also did the chest plate, which I am loving. The paint job turned out really great. Neck gaiter. Of course, there's videos for all of this. There's a playlist for Red Hood. And of course, everything that I use to make and to buy, like the coat and the gloves, the boots, everything, are at 3dprintedpropsgear.com. This was a really fun one. It's really the first one. Star-Lord's almost done, but this is the first cosplay complete costume I put together, and I'm really excited about it. It's super comfortable. I can't wait to walk in at a con in this. The guns turned out really well. I didn't do a video on these. You can see I just painted some detail in to match the helmet to sort of help set the black off in the pants and the holsters. The helmet turned out really great. It fits really well with this neck gaiter that I made just with some EVA foam, and of course that's a video as well that'll be put up pretty soon. So yeah, really interesting. Stay tuned. I am going to be, we're going to be doing a little slide montage. My wonderful wife took some time out of her day today and took some photographs, so there's will be some pictures there. And again, head over to 3dprintedpropsgear.com to see all the gear I used. Also in the description, there are coupon codes for the CR10, the iOmega i3 printer, and a bunch of other 3D printers over at GearBest. So check that out. Of course, when you pick up anything on any of those links, they're affiliate links. They help the channel out. They help me buy filament and whatnot. And that'd be great. That'd be great. All right, so stay tuned for some really cool photos. And yeah, I am, again, super excited about this. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And on with the photos. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love putting this together. Again, check out 3dprintedpropsgear.com to find everything that I bought and everything I put together for this cosplay. Also, check out my Patreon site. It's patreon.com/3dprintedprops. And I'm posting, you know, sort of behind the scenes and sort of step-by-step things like, you know, when I had this thing halfway done, I was putting pictures up for it. So that's where I'm sort of posting things. Also there, you'll be getting some STL files, some 3D files of some things I've been making for different cosplay, things like web shooters and Fortnite things. Those videos are coming shortly. And also, if you don't want to sort of get into a subscription-based thing like on 3D Printed Props over at Patreon, check out buymeacoffee.com. Again, it's in the description below. It's a one-time thing. You guys know I drink a lot of coffee, so I think that really fits in with the theme of the show. Again, thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video.